Kindly like and subscribe my channel. While animals can show signs of distress or make vocalizations that may sound like crying, it's important to note that crying, in the sense of shedding tears, is not a common behavior in most animal species. However, many animal mothers do display maternal behavior that can be similar to what humans might interpret as crying. For example, a mother animal may make distress calls or vocalizations if her young are in danger or separated from her. She may also exhibit protective behavior such as standing guard, moving her young to safety, or aggressively defending her offspring from predators. Some animal mothers, such as elephants and primates, have been observed displaying behaviors that suggest they may mourn the loss of their young. This can include signs of depression or withdrawal, such as decreased activity, loss of appetite, and reduced social interaction. Overall, while animal mothers may not cry in the same way that humans do, they do display a range of emotional behaviors that indicate their strong attachment and protective instincts towards their young. Over two summers, the researchers treated herds of mule deer and white-tailed deer on a Canadian farm to modified recording of the cries of a wide variety of infant mammals, elands, marmots, bats, fur seals, sea lions, domestic cats, dogs and humans. By observing how mother deer responded, Lingle and Wright discovered that as long as the fundamental frequency was similar to that of their own infants' calls, those mothers approached the speaker as if they were looking for their offspring. Such a reaction suggests deep commonalities among the cries of most young mammals. The mother deer did not show concern for white noise, bird calls, or coyote barks. Lingle and Wright published their findings in October in the American Naturalist. Researchers had previously proposed that sounds made by different animals during similar experiences, when they were in pain, for example, would share acoustic traits. As humans, we often feel for the cry of young animals, Lingle says. That empathy may arise because emotions are expressed in vocally similar ways among mammals. Psychologist David Rebai of the University of Sussex in England, who studies the evolution of communication, is not surprised by these findings. From an infant's perspective, it is advantageous to attract any potential caregiver that could increase its chances of survival. And for parents, Rebai says, it is probably more advantageous to respond to anything that vaguely resembles a baby distress call. If a predator is involved, a parent cannot waste time deciding whether the baby in need of help is its own. The costs of ignoring the cry are too high. These results might also explain some instances of cross-species adoption in the wild. If a mother has recently lost her own infant and still has maternal hormones circulating, Lingle says, she may be primed to care for a ward when she hears its call, no matter what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.